Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yulia Maftuha Hidayati from UMS Indonesia. Today, I will present my research on the development of a flipbook Bangun Nusantara to enhance student mathematical creative thinking skill. The background of this study is based on four main points. The first, 21st century learning requires students to master technology, information, and communication aspect. Second, conventional learning materials are not very effective at increasing student engagement. Third, interactive digital book as an interactive medium that can boost student motivation and understanding. And fourth, student creative thinking skill in Indonesian remain low, particularly in mathematics, geometry. Research gap. This study introduced an innovative approach by integrating digital flipbook, ethnomathematics, and traditional musical instrument from across the Indonesian archipelago into the teaching of solid geometry to foster creative mathematical thinking. Research purpose, this study aims to design and develop a flipbook Bangun Datar Nusantara as an instructional medium and to confirm that it has been validated by subject matter experts. Method, the study employ research and development or R&D approach use the board and goal model. The development process consists of uh, 10 stages: research and information collection, planning, development of the preliminary product, preliminary field testing, main product revision, main field testing, operational product revision, operational field testing, final product revision, and the last dissemination. Data were collected through observation and expert validation sheets. The participants include media expert and subject matter expert. This study was limited to the preliminary field testing stage, focusing on expert validity assessment. The data were analyzed qualitatively to determine the feasibility and validity of the flipbook Bangun Datar Nusantara. Box and gold model, research and information collection. The research analyze needs, examine the culture surrounding traditional musical. Planning, the research design and develop a 3D-based flipbook that integrates mathematical creative thinking skills. Development of the preliminary product, research have develop context-based spatial geometry teaching material center on traditional musical instrument. Preliminary field testing after the initial product was developed. An initial field trial was conducted with 4 students as test subject. Main product revision focus on refining the initial flipbook prototype that had already undergone testing. Main field testing, the Bangun Ruang Nusantara was implemented on a larger scale involving 7 students who were not part of the previous pilot group. Next, operational product revision, operational field testing, and final product revision. Result and discussion based on the validation result from the subject matter expert and media expert presented in the table above, the flipbook obtained an average score of 5 out of a maximum score of 5, achieving a validity level of 100% and categories as very valid. This result indicate that the flipbook aligns well with the learning objective and is feasible for use in terms of both design and technical aspect. Display of flipbook Bangun Ruang Nusantara. Uh, this is the last conclusion. Develop flipbook Bangun Ruang Nusantara using the Borg and Goal model demonstrate that this learning medium is valid and feasible for use with both subject matter and media expert evaluations, saving and validity level of 100%. This flipbook integrates indicator of mathematical creative thinking skill, enabling students to generate new ideas, understand geometry concept from various perspectives, and foster creativity through interactive exercise and quizzes. This concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.